Alright guys, here was my choice for my new fly reel at Cabela's. Normally I don't go with Cabela's or Bass Pro Shops branded stuff because it's all made in China. But actually I felt like this was the best reel there, to be honest with you, so whatever. If I'm buying what I feel like is the best product, it comes from China, then it comes from China. So, anyway, I suppose as you can see on my receipt down there in the corner, this was about $100 reel, and comes with a reel case. One thing that stood out to me was that it's a machine T6061 aluminum construction, so it's actually a machined reel, it's not cast, which is cool. And I compared it to all the other reels in the store, and it had the smoothest drag, really smooth drag, and it had a reversible one-way gear, so I took the one-way gear out and flipped it around for my usage, and that drag is just so smooth. And also I feel like the reel had a bunch of really strong spokes. Another reel I looked at only had spokes going across 180 degrees, like this one has them all, you know, four corners kind of deal, and I just felt like this was going to be a stronger reel. I hope it's, you know, stronger reel. It is a 3 of 4 weight size. As you can see, I don't have enough backing on it. I just got some cheap line I got from Walmart on here a couple years ago that was on one of my 3D printed fly reels. It's all held together with red Loctite. I noticed you can see down there the screws are held in there with red Loctite and stuff, so hopefully it holds together without falling apart in the field. If it falls apart in the field, you guys will know. But then again, it's only a 3 and 4 weight for, you know, some trout. So that's pretty much all I use with trout. Trout are, you don't really need bigger than a 3 or 4 weight rod on trout. It's actually kind of fun to fight a 3-pound trout on a 3 weight line. So it's actually a challenge. And I got my little measure net when I catch trout, so it doesn't mess the trout up. But I got rid of my old G Loomis reel a long time ago. It was also Chinese. I got rid of it a while back. I don't know why I did. I sold it, but here I am fishing again, so I needed another trout sized fly reel, and this was my choice. It seemed pretty solid, and I got it from Cabela's down the street. You can see it's 3 or 4 weight, and it's made in China, and it comes with a reel cover. And I'm going to put it on my little 3 weight rod, and I'll probably go get a little 5 weight rod for it. And what I'm going to do is put 4 weight line on it so I could use it on my 3 weight rod and my 5 weight rod, and it'll be a good all-arounder for small creeks and, you know, medium creeks and lake shores and stuff for trout. So I figured this will do it. Well, I guess I'll remove the spool really quick. It's got this little, you loosen this knob and then you can pull the spool. You can see the one-way bearing in there. There's 2 bearings, or I think there's got to be 2 bearings in there, otherwise it wouldn't be so smooth. There's either 1 or 2 bearings in there, and then there's the one-way bearing and a little thing holding it in there. And this is the drag under here, as you can see, and the housing. It's pretty smooth housing. I also have a behemoth fly reel in an 8 weight, and that's pretty strong too. But I found this to be a pretty good feeling reel for $100. That's definitely better than your average Walmart jobber with terrible drag system. So I'm sure you guys will see this around in my trout videos pretty soon, and I'll put it to the test. And I do fall over while I'm fishing in creeks, and I fall on my reels. Like, I'll be holding my rod and fall on my rod and my reel and beat them up and stuff. So we will get a durability test here going on for you guys in short order. You can see the reel foot is offset too to accommodate for the heavier weight on the drag side, so that's cool. Should balance well, should feel well, nice and light. Doesn't weigh too much, but it is kind of heavy because it is a drag reel. So, and it's got, you know, extra weight on it to balance out things. So, all right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.